Hello guys, for today's video, we're out for the first time for TNT Voice sing lesson at the world's best. World best guys, hindi international like America's Got Talent. World best. Ibig sabihin, pinakamagaling, pinaka-the best sa buong mundo. They will perform and they compete and representing the Philippines. And we know, everyone knows, even foreigners, they said that we are the land of the best singers. And I believe, 100%, I believe that one. Yes, and I truly love TNT Boys since then. Grabe, ang galing talaga nila guys. Sobra. Sa tawag ng tanghalan, grabe, ang galing ng tatlo. They're one of the best vocalists on that time. And now, ngayon 2026, ang lalaki na nila. Yung boses nila, iba na. Ibang-iba na talaga. But now, I'm just really excited. Matagal na to guys. 2019 pa to. And I'm excited for this one. I hope you enjoy and entertain. And to all the fans, continue to support TNT Voice. They're just incredible. Noon at hanggang ngayon, magagaling pa naman talaga sila. They are the best. And can't wait to see this. Can't wait to drop this one. Let's go. Listen, the biggest song of all time. It's so hard song. Let's go. Move. Wait. Move. Baki.
But can't complete. Oh, I'm screaming out, and my dreams for the bird. They will not be
Pasabog talaga yung... may gigil talaga. Grabe. Siyempre, salang-sala na sila dito sa Pinas. Which is tawag ng tanghalan. Yung Kids Edition.
into your own, because I want to
Woo!
listen. To the song, hear it
Same reaction. Oh my God. Sobrang tagal na itong video na to. Napanood ko na to pero syempre nakalimutan ko na how many years. 2019 na guys. Sobrang tagal na halos. 7 years. 7 years. Oh, grabe. Nakapangilabot talaga. Same reaction for the judges. Grabe ka, keeper. Ang kasubok niya. Ang cute. Was nice. I love the part. So beautiful harmonizations. Hindi siya parang may tumataas ng malala like BBTO, you know. No, it's so beautiful. It's solid. Ang solid nila.
You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me.
Ganyan.
I found a voice you
Grabe. Ang cute. Hindi ko na matandaan ngayon lang na-realize. Oh my God. Throwback ako kasi yung tagal ko na hindi ito nakita ngayon lang 2026, 7 years ago. Grabe. Galing. Solid. Tops Fernandez. Standing ovations. Standing ovation.
Ladies and gentlemen!
That was epic. That was epic ending. That was incredible. Wow, they're just super confident and they're just amazing singers. And yeah, hoping na mag-reunite sila guys, mag-concert sila kasi sobrang nakakamiss sila. Nakakamiss yung tatlong napakagaling na mga bata. At ngayon, mga binata na, bata to binata. Yeah, they're just incredible. Thank you so much guys. I hope mag-reunion sila ulit.